Agility with hardware and physical systems. Today, we'll take a deeper look at this. I'm Sheila Schultz, and I'm here with my colleague, Peter Pedross from PEDCO AG. Hi, Peter.
Hi, Sheila. My name is Peter Pedross. I'm CEO and founder of PEDCO, and I'm looking forward to our discussion.
Great. Peter, I wanted to talk about how to be faster and more efficient and more agile for hardware and physical systems. There's a lot of focus on agility and software, and I was interested in your perspective and thoughts for industry to evolve and apply agile practices for hardware and physical systems.
Yeah, this is something that really correlates very well. We have seen that all the companies want to go into business agility, and of course, there's also hardware involved. And as you see the technology right now, if you take, for example, EVs, then there is a lot of new hardware developed as well. There's a lot of new learnings, and we may have been perfect in combustion engines, but in batteries and electric propulsion and all that stuff, we are brand new. So it's also very wise to apply those agile principles to hardware.
I know PEDCO offers a suite of tools, and I was interested in your thoughts on how these could be applied for physical systems in addition to the traditional software areas.
That the agile principles can be applied to hardware development very, very well, because what they're looking for is to have learnings, to have faster feedback, to it's not obvious, but at the end, agile is all about getting feedback and risk reductions, because you have true, real learnings. So, for example, if you take SpaceX, how they developed the rockets, they very soon came up with the first rocket launched into the air. And if something works, then you know there's not that kind of risk, which we probably have thought of, and you can continue on this learning, and you have probably seen that something is failing, which you have never thought of. So you have feedback because you have integrated those things. And with that, you can try out new practices, probably new materials, which you have never thought of, like the stainless steel, for example. These are all the things which are connected, and it's about fast learnings, and agile principles and fast learning go very well with hardware.
I agree. I was wondering, maybe we could talk about actual industry examples. There are some out there. Maybe we could touch on a few of those.
Yes, of course. As you know, we have a partner network of over 100 consulting companies which are working with Applied Safe to apply safe and agile, lean agile principles to their organizations. And CoImprove is one of our hardware partners. They're doing very much business in the OEMs and first-tier supplier in the automotive industry. And we have here 3 examples which we could name. So, for example, electric vehicle development. They developed a brand new truck with a new propulsion system, new electric. I'm not going into the details, but it's very exciting how they have done it. And then, of course, also some household appliance development where they took like the small steps. They started with agile teams, with having scrum teams, and there were several teams, and then they grouped them together in SAFE. And it was very interesting how they developed and turned into a business agility as well. So now the development cycles are much, much shorter. It's not the production, but the development cycles are really, really very low. So we have also a joint webinar done with CoImprove. We could provide you with the link so you can look it up. It's 1 hour where we're really talking about exactly these examples.
This is excellent. Thanks for the great dialogue. It's really exciting to see the industry involvement in this area of agile practices kind of beyond the software space. Any last comments before we close out?
Yeah, physical product development with agile is something that really works. And nowadays, with agile tools in place to help, it's really something that is mind-blowingly fast, and it's really worth doing it.
Well, thanks, Peter.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.